admit I didn't see Orlando Pirates going through. I admit, which I know. Mina bengayiboni Pirates because of the mindset, watching their players. When they play Betway Premiership, some of the game they dribble starting going abonabutito, but they surprised me in this tournament. They show the character, well done. Sometimes they play according to instruction, and they take each and every game, one game at a time. And playing away, not here. Here I don't care. There's many people, they are affiliate and stuff. Sometimes obvious, these guys, now when they perk pass, but Pirates, well done to them. Especially Pirates playing with this age.
It's very young players.
Well done to Jose Rivera to ukuhlanganisa combination. Look now, he's playing with this point because 20 years. Relebogile Mfokeng 20 years. And Kota 20 years. But not the age is not far. Utito Masongai, axe easy. And then you go there to semi-final Champions League. Udlala against seasoned players. With Champions League, even Betway Premiership. They had a good season. All in all, Meleng guy. Best attacking team.